Today is Wednesday, the 27th, and my baby girls are 2 weeks old. 2 weeks old. Look at this Peluda. Hello, Peluda. Hello, Peluda. Little Rose. Little Chewy. Little Rose. Rose. Rosie. Hey, baby girl. Hey, baby girl. Little Michelle. Little Michelle. Woo. Woo. Here they are, 2 weeks old. Are they happy that Daddy's home? Are they happy that Daddy's home? Eh? Daddy came all the way. Came all the way home to see you. Hello. Little Rose. Wow. Esta más gordita. Little Rose. Hey, baby girl. Look at all that hair. Wow. Isn't that cool? It's awesome. 2 weeks old. 2 weeks old. Little pieces of heaven. 2 little pieces of heaven. Here they are. Here are the girls. They're happy to see me. Look at them. Contentas. Contenta. Hello. Hello, little Rose. Hello. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Hello. Looks so cute, man. They're so cute. Hi, little Michelle. Look, she looks just like me. She looks just like me. Who do you look like? Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? Wow, look, tan bonitas también. Wow. Todavía tiene este... Knuckles. Hello. Hi, Michelle. Michelle. Oh, you did? My belle. Hello. Hey, baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Hi. Hi, Michelle. Hi, baby girl. Here they are, 2 weeks. 2 weeks and 1 day. Up. Oh. Hey! We got a winner. We got a winner over here. Oh, Michelle. How you doing, baby girl? How you doing? You look like you're doing good. You gonna cry? You belt one out for Daddy? Yeah, look at you. She looks just like me. Wow. Alright, let's you guys sleep for a while.